A very good evening to all of you, my dear kids. I am Manisha Das on behalf of eTuition family. Welcome you all to today's class. Let me remind you that our eTuition family is providing quality education for your better tomorrow. So don't forget to be a part of our family. Okay. So my dear class 8 students, in today's part we are going to discuss all the NCERT question and answer. I hope that you have understood the full chapter. So let us check whether you have studied or not, or if you have any doubt. I hope that in today's part it will be clear because we have already completed the chapter reproduction in animals. So let's move ahead. So the first question is, explain the importance of reproduction in animals. Can you recall that what is reproduction? Yes, the production of new individuals from their parents. पेरेंट्स से अगर उनका कोई नेक्स्ट जनरेशन का ऑफस्प्रिंग पैदा होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रिप्रोडक्शन, राइट? सो व्हाट इज इट इम्पोर्टेंस? See, reproduction is a vital phenomenon on this planet Earth which is essential for existence and continuity of life and species on it generation after generation. तो बेसिकली क्या है, रिप्रोडक्शन इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ ए स्पीसीज. एक स्पीसीज का लाइफ प्रोसेस क्या होता है, कंटिन्यू रखने के लिए. एक स्पीसीज के बाद फिर उसका नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, वरना क्या होगा, द स्पीसीज विल बी एक्सटिंक्ट. तो इसीलिए इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ लाइफ. यस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डिस्क्राइब द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन इन ह्यूमन बींग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फर्टिलाइजेशन. Yes, fertilization means the fusion of male and female gametes. So how does this happen inside our human beings? See, the process of fertilization, that means sperms and ovum. Okay, sperms come in contact with an ova. Millions of sperm come to be in contact with an ova or egg. One of the sperm may fuse with the egg, and the nuclei of the sperm and the egg fuse to form a single nucleus. So जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा था, स्पर्म का स्ट्रक्चर देखा था. ओके, सो द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द स्पर्म विल फ्यूज विद द एग एंड विल फॉर्म अ जाइगोट. ओके, इन ह्यूमन बींग्स द फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस inside the female body. The fertilization takes place inside the female body. That's why it is called as internal fertilization. Next is, choose the most appropriate answer. See, internal fertilization occurs now only, we have discussed, right? Where does internal fertilization occurs? In female body, outside female body, in male body, or outside the male body. See, internal means inside, and fertilization takes place now only, we have studied, yes, inside the female body. Next is, a tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of dash. Tadpole means in the frog, right? So in the frog, the development of an embryo to an adult is known as metamorphosis. Yes. See, our answers are correct. Now next, the number of nuclei present in a zygote. Can you recall, zygote is a single cell, right? So the number of nuclei is 1, right? Okay, now it's time for true and false. So, see, oviparous animals give birth to young ones. Oviparous means giving O, it means anda, right? So they lay eggs, not give birth to young ones. So it is false. Now, each sperm is a single cell. Yes, obviously, because sperm is a gamete. External fertilization takes place in frog. Yes. In a new human individual develops from a cell called as gamete. जो ह्यूमन का इंडिविजुअल है तो वो गैमेट से पैदा होता है, एक ही गैमेट से, और द सिंगल सेल इज कॉल्ड एज जाइगोट, राइट? सो इट इज फॉल्स. नाउ, एग लेड आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन इज मेड अप ऑफ ए सिंगल सेल. यस. एंड एमोइबा रिप्रोड्यूसेस बाय बडिंग. एमोइबा बडिंग के थ्रू में रिप्रोड्यूस करता है? नो. Fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. What do you mean by asexual reproduction? There is no fusion of male and female gamete, right? So it is not necessary. Okay. So it is false, right? Next is, binary fusion is a method of asexual reproduction. Yes. A zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Yes. An embryo is made up of a single cell. No. It means it is false. Next is, give two difference between a zygote and a fetus. See, zygote is a single cell, but fetus is multi-celled, right? And it is formed by the fusion of male and female gamete. Okay, zygote, but fetus is formed by the repeated division of the same zygote, right? Now, define asexual reproduction. Describe two methods of asexual reproduction in animals. So, the method of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved, there will be no fusion of male and female gamete, right? So, in this type of reproduction, sex shells or gametes are maybe produced but no fusion is taken place, right? So, asexual reproduction takes place in amoeba, hydra, like lower organisms, sponge, starfish, yeast. Okay, two types of asexual reproduction: binary fission and budding. Binary fission means a single parent will give rise to two equal individuals, like as in amoeba, right? So it divides into two by division of their bodies. First क्या होगा, nucleus will be divided, after the cytoplasm will separate, after that two new daughter amoeba will be formed, right? Budding. In budding, the organism develops a bulge called as bud, which further develop, and after maturation it will detach from the parent body and again it will form new individual. Understood? Yes. Now, in which female reproductive organ does the embryo gets embedded? The embryo gets embedded in the uterus. Now, what is metamorphosis? What is metamorphosis? Can you recall? The transformation of larva into an adult involving sudden and abrupt changes, drastic changes, right? In the body of an animal during the life cycle of an invertebrate or amphibian is called as metamorphosis, like frog and butterfly. Now, differentiate between internal and external fertilization. See, the fusion of male and female gamete, it means fertilization takes place inside the female body, which is called as internal. External means outside the female body, called as external fertilization. And the female partner lays either fertilized egg or fully grown young ones, like oviparous and viviparous. But external fertilization, they discharge their unfertilized eggs, right? And the offspring have a high chance of survival because the fertilization is inside the female body, but they have a lower chance of survival, right? Yes. Now next, see crossword puzzle. The process of fusion of the gametes is called as fertilization. Now the type of fertilization in a hen is, yes, in a hen it is, the type of fertilization in a hen is called as internal fertilization. The term used for bulges observed on the sides of the body of hydra, buds. Eggs are produced here. Where does the eggs are produced? Ovary, right? Ovary. Sperms are produced in these male reproductive organs. Where? Yes, it is testis. Where is it? Yes, testis. Now, another term for the fertilized egg is called as zygote, right? Here it is. Now, these animals lay eggs. Oviparous, here, oviparous. Now, a type of fission in amoeba, binary fission. Okay, understood? So, with this we have discussed all the question answers. Now, one difficult question, not difficult, fun question. What is full of holes but still holds water? आपने देखा किसी बर्तन में छेद हो जाए तो उसमें पानी रहता है क्या? नहीं रहता. लेकिन ऐसा कौन सा है, कोई जानवर, कोई भी चीज़ हो जो क्या है, जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे मिलियंस ऑफ होल्स आर देयर बट इट कैन स्टिल होल्ड वाटर, लेकिन वो पानी पकड़ सकता है. कौन है? द आंसर इज अ स्पॉन्ज, लाइक आवर स्पॉन्ज बॉग. इट कैन होल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर इन इट. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. So with this, I would like to request you be a part of our eTuition family. Don't forget to watch, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and happy reading.